The Ernest Beutler Lecture and Prize honors two individuals, one recognized for enabling advances in basic science and the other recognized for using clinical science or translational research to carry the basic science advances through to tangible improvements in patient care. This year's recipients presented on controlling hemoglobin genes and curing hemoglobin disorders.
What I summarized in the lecture was what we have learned about the mechanisms that control the repression or the turn-off of fetal hemoglobin and how we can genetically manipulate cells to turn hemoglobin F off or on, and in this case reactivate fetal hemoglobin for therapy in sickle cell disease or beta thalassemia.
What I did was to narrate a 30-year history of trying to develop gene therapy for sickle cell disease. We had lots of roadblocks along the way, and I showed many of those and the ways that we persisted in getting around those to the point now where we finally have two FDA-approved gene therapies for this really horrible disease.